Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix external hard drive error like hard drive not detected and stuff like that. And now if your hard drive is physically damaged, this video may not help, but you can give it a shot. But yeah, most of the time you need to give your hard drive to the technician if you have physical damage to retrieve the data out of it. Okay, but yeah, if you have some driver issues and stuff like that, software problems and stuff, this video may help. Okay, so let me just plug in my external hard drive and let me show you what I meant. So this error box show up. Okay, the USB device not recognized or not detected or stuff like that, external pen drive as well. So the last USB device you connected to this computer malfunctioned and Windows does not recognize it. So we will try to go ahead and fix this up. Okay, alright, so first of all you have to download one software. I'll put the link to it in the description. It's from Seagate and it's called Paragon driver for Windows. Okay, unfortunately it's not for Mac, so if you're on Windows you're good to go. Windows 8, 7, Vista and XP and Windows 10, obviously, that's for sure. I'm on Windows 10 machine, by the way. And yeah, they also have all the instruction. Just ignore all of them for now. You can go ahead and download it and you can read that out while you're downloading it. It's just 10 megabytes, okay, right here, and I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna repeat that process. So here we have it, the software itself. We're gonna install it. Right click and install. Click next. I accept. Next. I'm gonna select it as default directory. Click next and then click install. And you have to give administrator rights. Okay, just click yes. And this bad boy will install. So it has finished installation. Now you have to actually restart your computer. To actually complete the installation process, you have to restart your PC. Okay, so go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do that same and I will see you in a second. Alright guys, so after restarting back your PC, just put back your external hard drive in and let's see if this works. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, now as you can see, it has detected the hard drive, so we have successfully fixed it. Hopefully in your case this will be same. And let me just show you the drive itself. And here it is, our Seagate Backup Plus drive, and I can access the files, all this cool stuff. Now guys, after doing this process, I would recommend you go do the check disk, and to do that it's really easy. Just right click on your drive and go to properties. Here click on tools and here click on check. Now you have to click on here. Okay, after a pop-up little box show up, just click on here and it will scan the drive for the bad sector, and most of the time it fixes it. Okay, now this is gonna take a while depending on your PC speed and depending the size of your drive. Okay, in my case it will roughly take I don't know, 10 million years. By the way guys, most of you have been asking me about this theme, as I have already made a video about it, so I will put the link to it in the description. It's a classic theme for Windows 10 and 8 machine, which is not there inbuilt. So this is really easy to do actually. It's just copy and paste. I'll put the link to it in the description so you can install this for yourself. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope this video helps. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace guys, I'm out.